Hi guys, welcome back to another video of my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a walking little trick in Gacha. So the things you'll need are background eraser.
Wait, Christina, was that little big planet in there?
Oh, go away. The next thing you'll need is Kind Master. And obviously Gacha Life. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into Gacha Life. Oop. Sorry about that, guys. Basically just do this. Take a screenshot. Then you want to go to background eraser. Do this. Just like that. I see some things that need to be. Like that. Oh. This part of the bow too. You know what? We can erase that. I'm gonna do the This is really simple, just You're so annoying. Can you please stop?
What was that little big planet?
No.
Don't bother, Cat. Why don't you sit over here, Lee?
No.
Don't bother Katrina.
Okay, sorry guys. I just kind of flew out of. Okay, so the thing that you want to do is go
What
here
should I do with this now?
and first
What?
you can use like your actual photo from your gallery, or you can like just you know. Okay. Now I'm gonna do add eraser. Go like that. So you want to start over here. Let's make this shorter because
Can someone eat goat? Could you eat goat?
Yep.
You can?
Yep.
Can you?
Yep.
You can actually eat goat?
so you want to do that.
I want to eat goat.
Okay.
It's mushy.
Does it have health benefits?
No, it's inert.
Sorry
There's
guys.
a drink called Goldschlager, and it's got flakes of gold in it. And you can drink it.
But what about just normal goat?
Well, you need it to be pretty soft.
And basically you want to
Fake
like
process.
guys, you okay. Okay, so guys, you want to click that key and move the character. So like this.
Just poop it out.
Then you just eat. And before that, you also want to click on the key again. Move a bit up. Eat. 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 And that's about it. So let me show you how that looks. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you.
What's that little big planet turning?
And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Only if you want, you don't have to. I'm just saying maybe you should, because if you want to be notified every time I post another YouTube Gacha thing. By the way, guys, I'm sorry that if I don't post a lot, because I don't really have any Gacha vid ideas. So please, if there's something in certain that you want to see as a video, please just leave it down below in the comments what you think. But
Could you eat?
but yeah, so just thanks for watching. Bye bye.
No.